So it's been 3 weeks since I last updated you guys on the journey, right? And that is because I was dealing with some personal issues, and for that matter, I was not taking any trade. But yeah, I took some trades, and a lot has happened since within these 3 weeks, right? And I'm going to share with you the struggles, the new discoveries, and everything as I promised, right? I promised to be transparent. So I'll start with the struggles. Past 3 weeks, I realized that it takes a lot to get to the profitability that we are all chasing for, right? And it's not because you are doing the right things. You are always doing the right things. You are guaranteed to make the money, right? My realization that I had the past 3 weeks is to pay you when the market will pay you, right? So you can be doing the right things and still be losing, right? So you are not supposed to move your stop loss, for example, right? You're not supposed to move your stop loss the right way. If you're doing it the right way, you're not supposed to move your stop loss after you've set the stop loss. And you will not move the stop loss. You didn't move the stop loss, and the price just freaked you out and then went into your favor. Moments like that really make you question your whole, I don't know, because you followed everything, every plan, every risk management plan, and you still lost because of following them. If you had moved it a little bit small, you wouldn't have been stopped out. And we try to build good habits, sustainable habits that will help us become profitable in the long run. But in building those habits, we get tested, right? Get tested. Because if you want to be patient, you need to get tested so that you build a habit of being patient, right? So those are the struggles that I've been facing. If I should show you my trades, you realize that I have no problem with speculating direction. Usually I'm mostly right on where the market is going to go. Sometimes I just don't get paid from those speculations, right? It's been a struggle. So since I last spoke with you, I spoke to you about, I told you that I've bought a new 10K challenge, and that account is also in drawdown. And I don't know, there's a lot for me to learn. I'll admit it. There's a lot for me to learn. If I should look at my potential floating profit that I never closed, that ended up closing me out, I should be in profit by now. And I'm doing all that because I'm trying to build good habits that will sustain me, right? It's been challenging. So that one too is in drawdown 2%. And my personal account, my personal live trading account, that one is even worse. And that one is worse because I didn't know that I was greedy. So I started trading that live account, and I realized I'm greedy because for the first time in a very long time, before I placed the trade, I wasn't even looking at what I'm risking. I was just looking at what I'm going to gain, and that is not how I trade. But when I started trading live, of course I've traded live before, but this time around it was different. And I was so confident that the market was going to drop. Of course it dropped, but it had to close me before. So I lost, and I've lost 30% of my personal account. I'm in drawdown. I've lost 2% of my the new 10K challenge, and I'm still at 8.5% drawdown in the old one that I'm trading small. Yes, so that is challenges that I've been facing. I promised I was going to share everything to you. It wouldn't be all rainbows and sunshine, right? Days like this too, or times like this too, needs to be recorded. So yeah. And throughout these storms and everything, I came about something that is helping me actually. A software that is allowing me to backtest for free. Now, before I was using J4 Forex, right? J4X 4, right? Yes, J4X 4, sorry. And with that one, the platform is a bit complicated, but I was still using it to backtest. I could backtest 3 months data in a day. It was because I wasn't really placing the trades. I was just, I know my rules, I know this one strategy. So let's say, okay, if I had taken this trade, I would have won, right? More of like, your bias. I mean, not biased in a sense, but you get to see after the fact That's okay. If I had taken this trade, it would have been a winner, and I will mark it as a winner. So my data was not accurate because Charlie, my backtesting data, I was profitable. I've always been profitable with my backtesting data, right? But I got a platform that allowed me to trade while I'm backtesting, like TradingView paid version. But this one is for free, and I can track my win rate and all the data that I need to track if I pay pro. But if you don't pay, you just get to see your win rate and then your percentage return. And it's been good because with this one I get to place the trades, and then you can't replay after you've taken the trade. You can't replay because the replay button option is for the pro version, and I'm not in pro version yet. So that is actually like simulating a live trading, and I have notes. I have a way that I've been doing it. So in this book I take it like I'm trading for the whole day, right? So just like my normal systems, and actually this is the first time that I've had that system in place. So I start with my pre-market game plan, right? So let's say on Tuesday 8th October 2024, I started with October. I can only back this 1 month, so very last year October, right? So my pre-market game plan was that there's a pullback on a daily and it seems bearish for the week, so higher prices won't be high probability setup for me, except if price indicate a strong willing to retrace deep into the 4-hour swing. So I'll be looking out for a market maker sell model for today, right? So like I have a pre-market game plan and then live trading notes. So when I get into the market too, I'll be taking notes, and I'll write them. I recently came about a video that was like teaching how to really get better at anything you are doing. Like if you write more, it's better than typing. I mean, typing is also, but when you are writing, you get to engage all the senses, and it's actually working because those things that I write to, they come from inside, and I write and I'm able to realize a lot of things, right? And after the live trading notes, I go my post trade notes, and I go the daily review and everything. So because of all this work that I need to put in for it, for the backtesting, unlike before that I could backtest 3 months, 1 month in a day, now I'm only able to backtest. The maximum I've done in a day was 3 weeks, right? And I place the trades, right? I place the trades and I take notes and everything. So that is going well for me. And I told you that I'll be sharing the discoveries that I'll be making on the way, because I am not having any mentor yet, so I'm discovering everything on my own, from research, from YouTube, from books and everything. Yes, and it's working. I'm currently reading a book to market structure on multiple time frames, right? And that is also helping me. So this is the updates since the 3 weeks, and I'll be giving you probably daily updates these days. I'll just share my day with you guys and document the whole journey. So if you don't know me, my name is Preatchafx, aka the Forest Preacher, and I'm a trader documenting my journey here on YouTube. Today happens to be like a dull moment for me because I'm not actually having a good time. Right, I'm not having a good time trading in my life actually. Yeah, but yeah, you need to persevere through everything, and that is what we are doing right now. So I know you probably are also facing this same thing or similar. You can share with us in the comment section, like and subscribe. See you next time.